This is an amazing car. This is a 68 280se. I like this with the city horns, country horns on the outside. Beautiful gold car, which I always like. Now what's interesting with this, it's a manual transmission, so it's the 4-speed with power steering and air conditioning. You can see the shifters on the floor. It's got gorgeous wood wrapping around. These are absolutely magnificent. This car is in pretty good shape. I kind of like it. I see a little bit of orange peels, stuff like that. Body fit is good. These are really precision cars. They are built pretty good. Chrome has some pitting and such. I see some repairs on the rockers. It's all right. Again, these are real fussy cars because they are built so well. You can see in there, it is gorgeous. Take a look around. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's not a concourse, but it's quite respectable. And these are unusual. And yes, it does have the sunroof. Again, nice little 280 SE. Let's take a look, see what they're asking. That's a 2.8. And of course, E designates the injection. That's got 68 and asking 49,000. Well, it's Wednesday afternoon.